Hi, I'm Darren, the founder at Bridgit Care. We've been working with Iqonic and the team for about the last 2 years, and it's been an amazing journey. Initially, when I was looking around for support, I spotted these guys online. They were doing a really great job in terms of advertising and pushing some stuff out on social media and YouTube. And I just got in touch with Mr. Modi, or Hindu, talked about our requirements, what we wanted to do, our development plans, and really saw those guys as a great fit. What we were looking for was somebody to look after the UI for us. So we're doing a lot of back-end development work. We specialise in AI and basically building AI solutions for social impact. But we had a gap in terms of resource that could help us with React and the UI development that could bring best practices in terms of what design should look like and really help us on the journey. The team's been great. They've helped us with things like working through Figma designs, working through requirements, giving us a bit of challenge as we've been through the build phase, and getting us to the point now where we've got a platform, actually multiple platforms and multiple businesses live, all using AI for good across the UK. In terms of the actual relationship, we have daily checkpoints with the team, scrum reviews, to help us accelerate and move forward on priorities. And what I've really been impressed with is the flexibility to actually get involved out of hours when we need it, when we've got key deadlines that we need to hit. So yeah, I've been really pleased with the experience to date. I'm really excited about the future and continuing the relationship with a great team. So yeah, if you're interested in a development partner, then I'd really recommend you reach out to them. And for any of the team that are actually watching this, I'd just like to say a massive thanks to all the team over at Iqonic for all the support you've given us over the years.